Thomas Alva Edison. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Steve Jobs. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you have not found it yet, keep looking, don't settle. As with all matters of the heart, you will know when you find it. J.K. Rowling. Failure is so important. We speak about success all the time. But it is the ability to resist or use failure that often leads to greater success. Abraham Lincoln. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Jack Ma. Never give up. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. If you don't give up, you still have a chance. Giving up is the greatest failure. Colonel Sanders. My fried chicken recipe was rejected 1009 times before a restaurant accepted it. For me, success is not an accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. Bill Gates. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake. Cristiano Ronaldo. Dreams are not what you see in your sleep. Dreams are things which do not let you sleep. Henry Ford. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Albert Einstein. Everyone sat in the prison of his own ideas. He must burst it open, and that in his youth, and so try to test his idea on reality. Oprah Winfrey. Don't worry about being successful, but worry about being significant, and the success will naturally follow. Robert Kiyosaki. Before you can transform your wallet from poor to rich, you have got to transform your spirit from poor to rich. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Elon Musk. Don't wait for it to happen. Go make it happen. Never lose hope, never lose faith. Silence say a lot more than you think. Do the best you can with what you have. APJ Abdul Kalam. If you salute your work, you do not have to salute anybody. If you pollute your work, you have to salute everybody. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. Muniba Mazari. Success is not how well people know you. Success is how well you know yourself. Will Smith. No matter how talented you are, your talent will fail you if you are not skilled. Skill is achieved through practice, work hard, and dedicate yourself to being better every single day. Warren Buffett. Do not wait, the time will never be just right. Start where you stand and work with whatever tools you may have at your command, and better tools will be found as you go along. Sachin Tendulkar. Success is a process. During the journey, sometimes there are stones thrown at you, and you convert them into milestones. Sandeep Maheshwari. If you really want to be successful, stop worrying about what you can get and start focusing on what you can do. Mark Zuckerberg. You have to be uncomfortable in order to be successful. In some ways, if you stay in your comfort zone, you would never do the things that you need to do. तो दोस्तों, आपको हमारा ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप हमें नीचे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना, और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके आप हमारे मनोबल भी बढ़ा सकते हैं। आपको बहुमूल्य समय देने के लिए धन्यवाद।